If your Google Merchant Center is suspended due to misrepresentation, don't panic. Let's tackle this together. First, log into your GMC account and check the notifications for specific reasons behind the suspension. Common issues include inaccurate product information or misleading claims. Next, head over to your Shopify store. Ensure that your product titles, descriptions, and images accurately reflect what you're selling. For example, if you're selling a red dress, make sure every detail matches: color, size, and material. Then, review your shipping and return policies. They must be clear and accessible. If you offer free shipping, state that explicitly. After making these adjustments, go back to GMC and request a review. Be patient. It can take a few days. Finally, keep your product data up to date. Regularly check for compliance with Google's policies to avoid future suspensions. By following these steps, you'll be back on track in no time.